Hello friends, welcome back on your favorite channel Nick Prep for Biology by AJ. Today we will discuss best questions on chapter evolution. So please do go through these questions which are very much important for your NEET exam. So here we start our video. Question 1. Who discarded the theory of spontaneous generation forever? A. Louis Pasteur, B. Francisco Redi, C. Spallanzani, D. Aristotle. Who discarded the theory of spontaneous regeneration forever? And the answer for the first question is A, that is Louis Pasteur. Second question, experimental evidence of chemical evolution was given by A. Miller, C. Haldane, C. Oparin, D. All of these. Experimental evidence of chemical evolution was given by, and the answer for the second question is A, that is Miller. Third question, theory of natural selection was given by A. Landmark, B. Darwin, C. Alfred Wallace, D. J.B.S. Haldane. Theory of natural selection was given by. Answer for the third question is B. That is Darwin. Fourth question, which of the following operations give one correct example each of convergent evolution and divergent evolution? Convergent evolution, options A is eye of octopus and mammals, bones of forelimbs of vertebrate, B thorns of bougainvillea and tendrils of cucurbita, wings of butterflies and birds, C bones of forelimb of vertebrates, wings of butterfly and birds, D thorns of bougainvillea and tendrils of cucurbita, eyes of octopus and mammals. I repeat the question. Which one of the following option gives one correct example each of convergent evolution and divergent evolution? Answer for these question is A, that is eye of octopus and mammals, divergent evolution, bones of forelimbs of vertebrates. Next question. Question 5th. The process by which organisms with different evolutionary history evolve similar phenotypic adaptation in response to a common environmental challenge is called A. Natural selection, B. Convergent evolution, C. Non-random evolution, D. Adaptive radiation. The process by which organisms with different evolutionary history evolve similar phenotypic adaptation in response to common environmental challenge is called. And the answer for the fifth question is B, that is convergent evolution. Sixth question. Which concept was not included in Charles Darwin theory of natural selection? A. Survival of the fittest. B. Struggle for existence. C. Overproduction of offspring. D. Pupinated equilibrium. Which concept was not given in Charles Darwin theory of natural selection? And the correct answer for this question is D. That is pupinated equilibrium. Question 7. Survival of the fittest is responsible due to A. Overproduction, B. Favorable variation, C. Environmental challenge, D. Inheritance of acquired characters. Survival of the fittest is possible due to. And the answer for this question is B. That is favorable variation. Eighth question. Which of the following are the two key concepts of Darwin theory of evolution? A. Genetic drift and mutation, B. Adaptive radiation and homology, C. Mutation and natural selection, D. Branching descent and natural selection. Which of the following are the two key concepts of Darwin theory of evolution? And the correct answer is D, that is branching descent and natural selection. Question 9. Hardy-Weinberg principle is the A. Stable allele frequency in a population, B. Genetic structure of an evolving population, C. Varying allele frequency in a population, D. Phenotypic structure of a non-evolving population. Hardy-Weinberg principle is the, and the correct answer is A, that is stable allele frequency in a population. Question 10. Genetic drift operates in A. Small isolated population, B. Large isolated population, C. Non-reproductive population, D. Slow reproductive population. Genetic drift operates in, and the correct answer for the 10th question is A, that is small isolated population. Question 11. Which one of the following statement is correct about Australopithecus? A. They essentially ate fruits. B. They hunted with stone weapons. C. They were transitional stage between ape and humans. D. All of the above. Which one of the following statement is correct about Australopithecus? And the correct answer is D. That is all of the above. Question 12. The chronological order of human evolution from early to the recent stages is A. Rampithecus, Australopithecus, Homo habilis, Homo erectus. B. Australopithecus, Ramapithecus, Homo habilis, Homo erectus. C. Pithecanthropus pankensis, Homo habilis, Homo erectus. D. Australopithecus, Ramapithecus, Pithecanthropus pankensis, Homo erectus. The chronological order of human evolution from early to recent stage is, and the correct answer is A, that is Rampithecus, Australopithecus, Homo habilis, Homo erectus. Question 13. Match the following column. A. Genetic drift, natural selection. C. Gene flow, demutation. Column 2. 1. First option is change in the population's allele frequency due to change alone. Second, difference in survival individual. Third, immigration or immigration change the allele frequency. Fourth, source of the new allele. Match the following column. Code A, B, C, D stand for first, second, third, fourth. B, A, B, C, D stands for first, second, fourth, and third. C, A, B, C, D stands for first, fourth, second, third. D, A, B, C, D stands for fourth, second, first, and third. And the correct answer for the 13th question is A, that is A1 stands. A, that is genetic code, stand for change in the population allele frequency due to chance alone. B for second, C for third, D for fourth. That is question 14. Correct order of evolutionary scale is A. Paleozoic, Archaeozoic, Cenozoic, Archaeozoic, Paleozoic, Proterozoic. C. Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. D. Mesozoic, Archaeozoic, and Protozoic. Correct order of evolutionary scale is, and the correct order is C, that is Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. Question 15. Fitness according to Darwin refers to A. Reproductive fitness, B. Physiological fitness, C. Spiritual fitness, D. None of these. Fitness according to Darwin refers to, and the correct answer for the 15th question is A, that is reproductive fitness. Thank you friends for watching this channel Neat Prep for Biology by AJ. If you like this video, then please do subscribe this channel, share this video with your friends and relatives. Thank you friends, keep smiling, bye bye.